Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing how you can fix your USB device not being recognized in seconds on Windows 11 and 10. Let's dive right in. So firstly, the most common problem with this sort of issue is hardware issues or system configuration issues, which usually can happen with Windows 10 or 11. Now, what you'll need to do is try a different USB port because simply it may be a hardware issue where the port itself is damaged. Go ahead and check your USB cable if you're using one that may also be damaged and test it on another computer to ensure that there is no hardware issue on your laptop now or computer. Now, once you've done that, you can also remove all USB devices, shut down your computer completely, wait a few seconds, and then restart your computer and reconnect your USB devices one at a time. This may go ahead and solve the issue with your USB device not being recognized. Now, it may also have to do with not updated USB drivers. To fix this, go to Device Manager, find your USB device, right-click and select Update Driver. Once you've done this, it may go ahead and update and then your USB device will be immediately recognized. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.